Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these best tools, CRM tools, which is Zendesk and Honeybook. So I'm just going to quickly review and analyze these two CRM together with their pros and cons, able to decide which of these CRM tools can be a game changer for you. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Zendesk. Zendesk is built for customer support teams, offering a powerful ticketing and automation to streamline communication. It's reliable for scaling business, but can feel complex and expensive for smaller users. Then Honeybook, on the other hand, is simpler and ideal for freelancers or small business, combining client management, invoicing, and contract in one place. It's easier to use, but it lacks Zendesk advanced tools. So for big support team, go with Zendesk. If you want big support team, go with Zendesk. Well, you can go with Honeybook for solo pros, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.